Guys, today I'm showing you African village boys life. The owner of this house is actually a student. As you can see, these are his books. These ones are his books. These are his books, so he has to read. But of course, you know, in the village, and this is his school bag. So this one here is his alarm. This is the watch. So he sets the watch to alarm to wake him up using a speaker which he has connected here. So in the morning, because he sleeps here, the alarm he sets on the watch. Remember, these watches have a small speaker here. So he removed that speaker and then he fixed this. That makes him that wakes him up in the morning. And of course, this is his bed. That is the bed. Of course, everything is locally made. I think you can see. So what happens is, this is the switch. Light off, light on. You can see. That's the light. On, off. On, off. So that's the light he uses for reading. I don't know that you can notice. That's the light he uses for reading in the house. So this is the battery he has connected the light to. I don't know how he charges it. It's just this way. Solar. So he uses this solar to charge his battery, because here in Kenya they gave them this light. I think it is Safaricom that gave them the light. This one is a torch given to them by Safaricom, but they have to pay some money every day. So because payment can be an issue, he decided to get the battery and the switch, and he connected it with that light. So let me show you when it is off. You see the bulb? When you switch on the light, and it is very bright, it can actually light the house properly. So this boy's technology is amazing. It's really amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoy this kind of content, kindly subscribe to this channel, because trust me, you are really going to get much and enough of this content. All right, bye bye.